What is up, YouTube? It is your guy Timpipsdaily here with another video, man. You know how we rocking, so let's get right into it. Today's video is more for my beginners out there, for my newbies. Just heard about Forex, ready to crush the Forex markets, ready to achieve time and financial freedom, ready to make 3, 4, 5 figures weekly, but you just don't know how to set up your MT4 charts. And this video is for you, man. I'm here for you, and I'm also rooting for you, right? So anyways, MetaTrader, when you first download it, this is what pops up on the screen, right? On a side note, you want to download MetaTrader from the broker that you're going to use. It just makes it more simpler. Doesn't really matter, no, just a little nugget there. So I'm gonna go pretty fast, so if you need to hear a part again, just rewind. So let's exit out of all this, right? Let's exit out of EU, these pairs, and let's work on UJ, right? UJ is bae, she's a good girl, right? So let's right click indicator list. Let's get rid of the CCI indicator. Bang. So this is basic. This is a basic chart, right? Let's right click and go to properties, and let's make her more visually appealing for us. So background, I like to use white, foreground black, and foreground is just the numbers and letters down here. For the grid, I like to use white. For the bar up, I like to use black, and same thing for the bar down. Basically outlines the candlestick and basically makes the candles pop out a little bit more. For the bull candle, any variation of green works. For the bear, any variation of red works, and bang, right? Go to common, deselect show grid, and voila. Doesn't she look sexy, man? Like, I want to trade right now. Like, it's just, this looks beautiful, right? Nice and simple and clean, right? Now, if you want to add indicators, this is the indicator list. My chart is always going to have the 50 and 200 moving average. Might even have the MACD there, or the RSI. Just use that for divergence. And that's really it, man. That's really how you set up a clean chart. You want your charts to be as clean as possible. Trust me, it goes a long way. And finally, click on chart, template, save template as default. So basically every time you open up a chart, it's gonna basically pull up the settings that you have as default, so you never have to keep on doing the same steps that we just did, right? But anyways, guys, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to hit me up. Social media links in the description box below. And like I always say, guys, just never let a blue turn red. I'm out.